Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check your Buick Encore's transmission fluid, as it requires a unique approach. Unlike many vehicles, the Encore often features a sealed transmission, meaning there isn't a traditional dipstick. This method ensures you accurately assess the fluid level, which is crucial for maintaining your transmission's health and preventing costly damage. Following these steps precisely will help you keep your vehicle running smoothly for many miles. Before you begin, it's vital to prepare your vehicle correctly. First, safely elevate your Encore on a perfectly level surface, using a lift or sturdy jack stands. Next, start the engine and allow it to warm up, bringing the transmission fluid to its operating temperature. You'll need a diagnostic scanner to accurately monitor this. Aim for a temperature between 185 and 203 degrees Fahrenheit for the most precise reading. With your vehicle safely elevated and the engine idling, it's time to locate the transmission check plug. This is usually an 11mm bolt found on the side of the transmission case. Position a clean drain pan directly underneath this port. Then, carefully remove the check plug. This step allows you to observe the fluid's behavior, which is key to determining its current level. Interpreting what you see is crucial. If a slow, consistent drip emerges from the check port, your fluid level is correct. A steady stream, however, indicates an overfilled transmission, while no fluid dripping suggests it's underfilled. If low, add the specified Dexron 6 fluid through the separate fill port, usually on top, until a slow drip begins from the check port. Then, reinstall both plugs securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.